Hey guys, today for my instructional video, I am doing how to make Kool-Aid. You'll need a pitcher, sweetener of choice, stirring spoon, 2 packets of Kool-Aid. For today, I chose strawberry and peach mango. Now what you're going to need to do first, unscrew the lid to your pitcher. Then, you can do these next 2 steps in any order. You can start, however, by undoing the packages of the Kool-Aid and dumping it into the pitcher. And you do that by tearing off this part right here. So that would go right there. And then you make it wider as to where you can dump it easily. And then you dump it. Make sure all of it's out. And you do the same thing to the other one. You shake it. You tear it at the top. Then I pinch it with my fingers to make it a little wider. Then I take it apart with my fingers. And then I pull it to make it a little longer. And it makes a nice hole, easy to dump. And then I hit the bottom to make sure all the powder's out. Now you're going to need to throw all the trash away. And now we get to step 2. Or 3. You take off the lid to your sweetener, or however you have your sweetener. And you take a cup. This is about 1/4 cup. And you get 5 scoops about that big, heaping. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 5. Now, you're going to need to put the spoon back in your thing, or however you do it. Put the lid back on, again, however you do it, and put this away. Alright. Now, shake it up a little bit, make sure all of it's good and wet. Now, you turn on your faucet, however you do it, and it should look like that under the faucet. And you turn it on. And then, just after it's turned on, turn off your faucet and then stir it up really good. Really, really good. And then you want to turn on your water and keep it running and keep stirring it. You just want to keep stirring it. And then when it's about halfway, you turn your faucet back off and you stir it for a long time. About that much. A few seconds. Then you turn your water back on and you keep stirring. And you keep stirring. And you keep stirring. You keep stirring. Keep stirring until it's about to the mouth of the pitcher. Okay, about right there. And then you stir some more. Make sure you get up at the top too. Make sure that all the powder is getting dissolved. If all the powder is dissolved, that means it's good. If all of it's not, you need to stir it a little more. Now, all the powder is stirred, and now you take your stirring spoon, you turn your faucet as to where it's not over the Kool-Aid, and you rinse it off. Not too much, just a little. And then you put this away. Now, lift your Kool-Aid back up top. And then, because it is still a little warm, and you want it to be quicker, you want it to get cold faster, you go into your freezer, and you get ice. Maybe about 7 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that'll do it. Close your freezer up. Put the lid back onto your Kool-Aid. And then you put your Kool-Aid into the refrigerator. Kind of like that. Alright. Now you guys know how to make Kool-Aid. Later.